Niagara Falls is more than a waterfall. On the US side, you'll get to see Cave of the Winds, Goat Island, and Maid of the Mist. The best place I have ever been to, Niagara Falls. It's loud, massive, and absolutely jaw-dropping. This one is a dream come true for me. We chased waterfalls and got way more than we asked for. Then we hit the Cave of Winds, and let me tell you, this is not just a gentle mist. It's like a nature's car wash, but with a better view. After we dried off, the real show began. Every night in summer, fireworks over the falls. The fireworks start around 10 p.m. and you better be on time, and the viewpoint is Prospect Point. That's the best view you can get. Trust me and save this for your next adventure. And for more such videos, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Globe Travel.